play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I ended up getting 3 wigs for $49.99 with Waba hair subscription. All the information is in the description box. So let's get started. This is a Freetress equal level up HD lace front wig, and yes, she is synthetic. I'll put the name of the unit on screen so you guys will know what she's called, and also the color as well. The normal price for this unit is over $30. She is pre-plucked to perfection, and she is a ready-to-wear kind of unit, so literally a shake and go unit. It is ear-to-ear lace, and it's a durable HD lace as well. So let me stop talking about her and let me just show you this unit, and also let's get started installing. And that is it. That's all I've done to this unit. And this is one of my faves, y'all. It didn't take me long at all to do this. Literally, you guys saw it. It did not take long. I literally put it on, fixed it up, and boom, I'm done. Of course, I did more stuff to it because, I mean, why not? Put more layers in it. I bumped it. I love it. So if you guys ever want to subscribe to Waba's subscription box, I will put that in the description box below. Like, y'all, this is so worth it. I'm going to be a loyal customer and I'm going to subscribe every month. 3 wigs plus some goodies. You can't beat that. So everything that you want to know is in the description box. Thank y'all guys so much. Bye.